How to remove parental control on Google account. If any day you have a Google account and you would like to remove the parental control on your Google account but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be a Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After you check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and then you have to search Play Store there. After you search Play Store there, now you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the Play Store application like this, and after you tap on the Play Store application like this, Play Store will be launched on your mobile device. After Play Store is launched on your mobile device, now you have to go to your profile like icon on the top, and then you have to go to the next option, that is settings. When you tap on the option of settings, now you can see an interface like family here. You have to tap on that, and if the parental control is on, you can see an interface like this where the parental control is enabled using a very kind of enable option like this where a pin is also created. However, since I have not enabled the parental control already, therefore now I have to create a pin and then enable my parental control like this. Now if any day you have already enabled your parental control by creating a pin, if any day you would like to disable it, what you have to do is you have to turn it off and then you have to tap on your pin, and this way your parental control will be turned off. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.